In this segment, we're going to look at how to use Photoshop with anime. Our character, while not a traditional anime character, will suffice for this example. We've scanned this guy in, and we need to separate him from the background. In order to do that, we're just going to switch to the magic wand tool, click once on the white background, and select the inverse. And now he's just selected. We can then go to Edit and choose Cut, and then Edit and choose Paste. And what we've just done is put him on his own layer while preserving the background layer. Now that the background is separate from the character, we can use the Fill tool and fill it with any color that we'd like, say a dark red. And I'm just going to double check that you can see a little halo of his figure there still remains when we cut him from the background, because when you cut that selection, there's still a little bit of the character remaining. So we'll just keep filling the background until it's solid, and then place him back on the canvas there. Now, to change your layers here, I really like to check off when the Move tool is used. I like Auto Select Layer On and Show Transform controls, because when I switch to this layer, I can just click right on him and move him around, since Auto Select and Show Transform are there. And since Show Transform controls is there, I can actually scale him down, holding down the Shift key, and commit our change. And we've got him smaller. I'll uncheck that now, just to sort of visually, it'll look a little easier to work with. And last we're going to do is give a character a little bit of depth using the little F down here in our Layers palette, and choose Drop Shadow. And with using the drop shadow, you can actually place the drop shadow anywhere you want on the canvas simply by clicking and dragging, and save yourself a little time by giving it exactly the look that you're going for. If you adjust the spread and the size and hit OK, you should have the beginnings of a very realistic looking cartoon.